5 Exercises to Improve Focus. If the title of this article already has you ready to move on because really, who wants more exercises than they're supposed to do, but will live for eternity in your screenshots folder? No one. That's who. No worries, these focus-improving exercises have little to do with jumping jacks and lunges, and everything to do with your brain. Keep reading to find out how you can exercise your brain without moving, mostly, any other muscles. 1. Moving slow and leveling up. Improving your focus isn't going to happen in a day or even a week. It's a slow process that takes time. This means moving slowly and creating habits that you can build on. Once you master one of the items listed below, or even part of it, level up by stacking another small habit on top, or upping the level of the habit. 2. List your distractions. How many times a day does a random thought, a thing to research, or to do pop into your head? How many times a day do you follow that random thought down a rabbit hole? Keep a pen and paper handy and write down those thoughts when they come to you. Later, when you have a moment, you can handle the item as needed. This will allow you to get back to work quickly. 3. Meditate. Meditation is literally the practice of exercising the mind by staying focused on one thing, typically your breathing, for an extended period. You can start by using a meditation app to guide you through the process. 4. Practice memorization. Memorization takes time, practice, and focus. Start small with a short poem and slowly build upon what you can memorize. Memorization is a great way to not only focus entirely on something, but it works in your brain by recalling it later. 5. Read items in their entirety. How often do you only read the first and last paragraph of an article, or read the synopsis of a book but never read the book? Staying focused on even a short article online is impossible for many. Trying reading an entire article from start to finish, then move up to long-form reads and even books. Your mind is a powerful tool. However, like every other part of your body, it must be used to maintain its power and usefulness. Start practicing the exercises above to start your journey to increasing your focus and mental stamina.